All right, so we're going to the airport in our robot car. Hold on, we got to get everything in. We open the trunk. Now we're putting our stuff in the trunk. It's not that interesting. I'll tell you more when I get in the car.
Heading to 24th Street Sky Train Station. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
All right, here we are, arriving at the 24th Street station at the airport with our ghost.
It's nicer here because it's not as crowded as arriving at the terminal.
It's not allowed to play on or near the
My favorite part of this airport is the travertine. Beautiful.
It's lovely.
Board here for Terminal 3 and Terminal 4. Please hold on. This train is bound for Terminal 3 and Terminal 4.
It's on the Sky Train.
Next stop, Terminal 3.
They're for making passengers feel welcome and comfortable.
No. Okay, now we're going to wait by our gate. We're going to wait by our gate, and then we're going to go through boarding, and we're going to board the plane, and then we're going to be on the plane. It's over there. I'm in the Massachusetts Convention Center, waiting to get my badge. Superfly Nation, I'm official. Look, I'm a full convention attendee, I'm a first-time attendee, and I'm a presenter. Look out for more vlog. It's gonna be vlogged. All right, now I'm going down a long hallway to see Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson. You wouldn't believe it, but this Massachusetts Convention Hall is huge. I don't even know what's going down there. I think they've got produce for someone. The United Way? That is so nice to give. They're going to give someone produce. Anyway, yeah. This must be where the speech is coming up here. I can see some people. I'm also going to go try to find my room where I present. And now I'm getting in a line to see Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson. See, I don't know if you know about this, but she's a very inspiring and popular woman. And a lot of people want to see her besides me. And I'm a half an hour early to get to see her, but this line is bananas. I mean, it's way longer than I thought it was going to be. And now, I don't even know how it's possible that I'll even possibly get in. I mean, look at that. Did you see that? Have you ever seen anything like this? Really? 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 How is it this long? How can a line be this long? It's not even, it's not even starting to be over. Look, all these people are in this line to see Katani Brown Jackson. I mean,
Than an iPad, you are in the right place. If you have anything larger than an iPad, please step out of line to the right and proceed down the hall to the complimentary bag.
also, I'm gonna be in one of these rooms tomorrow. I'm in like 153. So at least I found my room. Since I've been here, this line has gotten even longer. Look, it goes all the way to the back of the hall, then it twists around. And all these people who are, you know, just like me, they're pretty nice. All they want to do is see Katani Brown Jackson. They have to wait back there.
Woody Dukan, Nuwisawak Thomas Green, Massachusetts Tawak, Nuwisawak Nashawak Mutank, Nujipanoak, Naponsit, Massachusetts Makapawak, Nuni Piamun. Good evening, my name is Thomas Green. I descend from the Neponset band of Massachusetts who gathered at the praying town of Ponkapog. I welcome you here. Consideration of the time we are gathered as well as that we're focused on reading, writing, speaking, listening, and critical thinking. It is important to name the original indigenous inhabitants of this place, who lived as one with, died, and became one with these lands for millennia, the Massachusetts tribe.
All right, it's day 2. Looks like a nicer day. Yesterday was not nice. So this is what it's like today at the Boston Seaport. You can see it's a little windy. This is about as the least windy it's gotten since I've been here, which means it's pretty cold, especially when it's windy. Okay, I'm gonna have to cross these streets now. I have to go over there. All right, I'll see you later. Oh wait, that's the water over there. That's where I did my OD. I came down here and I did my ODID down here yesterday. You can go to the TikTok, the Zubify TV TikTok if you want to see that ODID, which was, oh my gosh, so good. But anyway, if you're any of my major audience in Arizona, you like to see water. This is water. This is the Boston Seaport. So cold. Hey, look, there's piers. That's where you dangle your feet off if you want it to be very cold. I don't know what that thing over there is. There's some cranes, other buildings. Hey, it's a boat. So it's the morning of day 2. I'm in the lounge of the Westin Hotel. Kind of this, I don't know if you can hear it. It's kind of this loungy makeout music here at 7:24 in the morning. I guess it's what people who go to conventions want in the morning. I'm here at the National Council of Teachers of English convention. It's my second day. Yesterday seemed like really long. Even though we got in late the last day, we got in at 2 a.m. on Wednesday morning and slept into Thursday. We came down here and first we went to a good deli and got a sandwich. Then we came down here to the conference, which is not in the hotel but attached, and registered. And well, it turns out there's lots of people here. There's like 8,000 people here. This is the biggest academic conference I've been to. It's pretty exciting. And then we had to go back to the hotel room and argue with the hotel people about some stuff. And then I came back here and saw the evening speaker, who was Katani Jackson Brown. And I wasn't allowed to film any of that for you, but basically, she was just trying to like be inspiring to educators and try to get them to inspire other people. And then I went to dinner with my friend Boston Dan, who I've known since I was your age, since I was in high school. And I'll put a picture of him in this video, just so you know, if you can see what Boston Dan is like. And we had a good talk. I hadn't seen him or talked to him really in like 8 years, so it was really nice to talk to him. And so today I'm going to go to the morning speaker, who's Kate McKinnon, who's like a comedian, who I guess is also going to inspire us in some other way. Then I'm going to go to some general sessions and just try to pick up the vibe and try to figure out how everything works around here so I can be ready tomorrow. You know, not only learn, but be ready for tomorrow when I do my own presentation at 11:30. Okay, that's what's been going on. I'll see you later.
Morning, everyone. The session will begin in 5 minutes. Please make your way to your seats. Thank you.
And when you're poking around a new collection, some of the fun is looking at finding aids and learning about how these materials are arranged. And there was one series in this collection that caught my eye because I hadn't seen a series described quite like this before. It's right. And I thought, I wonder if there's a connection. So of course, had to do a little digging, and of course there's a connection. He was their nephew.
So as mentioned earlier, I am the poet of code. I tell stories that make daughters of diasporas dream and sons of privilege pause. How AI systems from some of the leading companies in the world read the faces of color who inspired me. So this was my first crack at the identity of poet of code.
Okay, it's Saturday morning, y'all. It's the morning of my presentation. I'm kind of nervous, but luckily nobody has recognized me as a famous influencer, so I'm not being mobbed by anyone or anything like that. I'm going into the room where I think I'm going to present, and I'm going to check it out. All right, see you later. All right, let's see. Yeah, here I am, teaching native nonfiction in the secondary school classroom, L39. I'm a fish, y'all. A fish. I'm not like official, not like a fish. Like, not like a fish figuratively or literally, just like official. It's just like slang, like you like to say. All right, I'm gonna go check out this room in a minute.
My interest in education, and they were both English teachers. My high school English teacher, Harriet Jekyll, was a powerful force, and she was the kind of teacher that she allowed me to trust her with my feelings and thoughts.
Welcome to teaching early native nonfiction in the secondary school classroom. My name's Clay Zuba. I'm a high school teacher at Xavier College Preparatory High School in Phoenix, Arizona. It's a Catholic high school. It's also the only all-girls high school in the state of Arizona. I have a YouTube channel called Zubify TV, where I'm mostly teaching writing right now, but I plan on incorporating more literature. If you have some time on your hands, you should check it out. You should probably like and subscribe. Maybe one of his best choices. Just because Red Jacket is making different choices here doesn't make him somehow superior or more authentic than William Mavis was. I then move on to the second part of the lesson, where we apply common literary devices to signify this speech. Basically, this Christianity is true because it's written in a book. And the white people are the only people who know Christianity because they're the only people who can read. Red Jacket here is saying, well, if this religion is for us, then God would also have given us the means to read it. And since we can't read it, since we have an oral culture that's, we've had a religion passed down to us generations through generations through generations orally, maybe that's the best one for us. I asked if Red Jacket speech dispels any stereotypes that they've heard about Native Americans.
Oh my goodness, I'd be happy to. Thanks for asking. I can show you my thank you slide. Well, come on. Wait, am I going the wrong, is that the wrong way? No, okay, wait. There we go.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, you're a really great audience. Thank you.
You're a great teacher.
Thank you.